Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from photos. And the application that I used to do that is Capcut application. So now we just need to open your Capcut, and after you open your Capcut you just need to jump into this left upper corner, the photo editor. You just need to click it and choose the picture that containing the emoji that you want to remove. So here, this picture, I would like to remove this emoji. So I would like have this text only. So now you just need to go click edit, and now to remove this from this photo, you just need to go into the shapes, and now you just need to choose the shapes that you want to have, and you can do styling. And now let's just pick the color by go click this color picker, and now we just need to adjusting the positions of the color that we want to have for the samples. And after you're done, you just need to adjusting the size too by drag this point into the inner part. And let me do that for you for a bit, and then you just need to move, and you need to cover the emoji with it. So you just need to drag it into the specific part. Here we go. And then you just need to make it smaller, and you can make it pinch by two of your finger while moving it and cover the emoji. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And now the emoji is already removed from the picture. However, this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you found out this tutorial today is useful for you, and see you for the next video.